Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Adair by Woodside Homes here in Cadence, Henderson. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is in Emery. It's pretty cool. It does have a casita, so you're going to want to stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Adair with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Adair by Woodside Homes here in Cadence, Henderson. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're about 25 to 30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is the most affordable master plan community in Las Vegas. The master plan fee is only $60 a month. So that is all you're paying if you're in a single family home, but it includes so many amenities. All right, you have like a 50-acre sports park, you have splash pads, a walking trail, a pool, you have like a bunch of like fitness facilities, outdoor fitness facilities. So it's really nice guys. So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans. They have the Nolan Plan 1, Marlowe Plan 2, and the Emery Plan 3. Now these are all 2-story homes ranging from about 2,769 square feet all the way up to about 3,000 square feet, okay? With the base prices ranging from $569,990 all the way up to $594,990. Here in this community, they're doing a little bit of both. They have like quick move-in, they have spec home, quick move-in homes, which will be ready in the next few months. And if you want to build from dirt up, you could definitely choose your model, choose all your options and whatnot. Now, the base prices that you looked at, just remember those do not include the lot premium and the upgrades. So the minimum lot premiums here are going to be $10,000. When it comes to upgrades, buyers are normally putting in about, $70,000 to $80,000 of upgrades. Okay. So the out the door prices, I would tell you to expect to pay mid 600s to high 600s for these homes. Okay. That's out the door, you guys. As far as the HOA goes, well, I guess $55 a month. There's 114 home sites here. Their average lot square footage is going to be about 4,550. So yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys. So welcome to the Emery Plan 3. Now, this is going to be the largest floor plan in this community. This is going to be 2,935 square feet, and the base price is $594,990. Okay, this is a 2-story, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 baths. So let's take a look. This also does have a casita as well. So standard, you have the 3-car garage. One really nice upgrade option that you have if you're going to build from dirt up is you could have the garage be 24 feet deep instead of 22 feet deep. So, that's pretty helpful, especially if you have like one of those large pickup trucks, or if you have pretty big vehicles and you want a deeper garage. So as we head to the entry door, you're going to walk towards the side here. So you have this nice little gate. You're also going to have this casita. Okay. So that's the door to the main house. Now this is going to be the door to your casita. This would be great if great place if you have relatives staying over, or if you have a tenant, like a roommate. So it's not quite like a next gen suite here. This is just a casita. So the only difference between this casita and the next gen suites is the next gen suites has like its own little living room and like a half kitchen. So this casita has a bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a full bath in their own separate entryway. So yeah, pretty nice, definitely good to have your own privacy. Okay, so walk-in closet. All right. So you have your linen closet, and then you have your you're gonna have your 3/4 bath. Okay, so we got the upgraded shower as well. Now, I believe the standard is going to be like a shower tub combo. What you're seeing here, you're going to see a lot of upgrades, especially in these model homes, okay? So as far as like the flooring goes, I think standard flooring, you're going to have the 18 by 18 ceramic tile. So as you can see, this one, you have, this is going to be like 12 by like 32 inch tiles. So yeah, nice upgraded cabinets. The standard cabinets are going to be maple cabinets. Okay. So yeah, very cool casita. All right. Cool. So yeah, this is the plan we're touring. Okay. Video doorbell is included as well. So welcome in. You have, this is going to be an 8-foot door, and then you'll have 9-foot ceilings. So yeah, this is, as soon as you walk in, you're going to be welcomed by this living room area. Then you have your dining room, kitchen. Definitely a really nice open floor plan. You have that stack slider right over there. Okay, now I believe that is upgraded. Now that's an upgrade that I recommend. Definitely, like, if upgrades that I recommend typically that add value to the house is, you know, if you have the option to make the ceilings, if you could, like, you know, move it from like a 9-foot to a 10-foot or 8-foot to 9-foot, that's always good because it'll open everything up. If you have the stackable slider, allowing for a more natural light, that's also a good option as well. Actually, I love this, what I'm seeing so far. Hey, let's see if we can go backyard. Okay. Nice. So the covered patios, they are going to be included, and you'll also have the pavers underneath the covered patio. That's going to be included as well. When you move in though, what you see right here, this is all going to be dirt. So you have about a year to landscape that according to HOA. Okay. Now, if you want a balcony, the balcony is optional. You could definitely upgrade to that if you'd like. Okay, so nice. You have this little like office space right there. Yeah, the colors are nice. Definitely very, it's warm and welcoming. So that's going to be the door to 3-car garage, but that is the sales office. Okay. You're going to have your coat closet right here. And this is going to be your guest powder room. Okay, so nice, beautiful kitchen, plenty of cabinets. Okay, so it looks like we do have like an upgraded appliance package here. So they got the monogram, but let me see here. The standard is you're gonna have the stainless steel GE appliances. You're gonna have the sink, the stainless steel undermount sink with the dishwasher and the oven, okay, as well as the microwave. So this is all upgraded. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included as well. So we do have this really nice quartz countertop. Okay, this is optional along with that backsplash. The standard countertop is going to be granite. You do have a quartz option as well. Okay. Very nice. This is a really nice color. Cool, and then we have this pantry right here. I don't know, what are you guys' thoughts on the pantry door being a window like this? Do you like that? Do you prefer it or not? Sometimes people say that if it's like that, you have to keep your pantry clean at all times, and that's why they wouldn't like it. But other people think it's pretty cool. Okay. All right, so right over here, it's a nice little like small office workspace. Okay, I love how they kind of made this your little dog friendly room. Okay, this reminds me of my office back at home. I have like a dog bed right by my desk, so I hang out with my dog all the time. And as you can see, you have plenty of lights everywhere. You're gonna have this is gonna be a pre-wire to the ceiling fan. You have like pendant lights over there. So the rounded corner edging, that is included, okay? So you have a nice window right there. So as soon as we go upstairs, this is gonna be your loft, okay? The stair rails right here are going to be upgraded, I do believe. I think the standard is gonna be a pony wall. Okay, so nice giant loft area. Okay, so right over here, you're gonna have like your primary bedroom, and then to the right, you're gonna have your 2 guest beds. So here, we'll start out in the primary bedroom. So we got the slider to the balcony. Okay, very spacious in here as well. This is a king size bed. Yeah, it's very nice. All right, see, this is the neighborhood. Okay, so a bunch of empty lots. Again, this community just opened up. All right, so welcome to the primary bath. You got the dual sinks, the quartz countertop. Okay, and here, so as far as the shower goes, normally when you're looking at something like this would be an upgrade, but I believe this is an included feature. So it says here, look, this is the included feature sheet. Spa walk-in shower at primary bath with tile pan. Okay, so I mean, some of these options, the surrounding is probably upgraded, but the walk-in shower, the spa is included, which is nice. All right, also you'll have your walk-in closet. Okay, toilet room. All right. Now guys, if you're thinking about visiting a new build community for your very first time because you are interested, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because if you go by yourself and you give the new build agent your name, your email, your phone number, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So that means we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we fight for you. And yeah, so always a great idea getting representation. Okay, so over here, this is gonna be where the 2 bedrooms are. So this is one of the guest beds. Okay, so you got standard closet right there. Okay, so you got the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, you got the 4 lights. Now for their quick move-in homes, most likely they won't have like these can lights. They're most likely just gonna have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay, so check out Cadence. Yeah. It's crazy how much Cadence has grown over the past like 10 years. Literally just used to be like nothing out here. Okay, it's cool. So this is gonna be your laundry room. Again, the washer and dryer is not included. Okay, but let me see here. Okay, so this is actually included though. So you're gonna have your base cabinets at laundry room with quartz countertop. It just won't be this quartz and these cabinets. Okay, because these are upgraded cabinets in quartz. Yeah, and if you want additional cabinets like this, I believe you can upgrade to do that. Okay, so this is your full bath. So this is going to be the full bath that these 2 bedrooms share. So you got 2 sinks. Okay. You got the undermount sinks, which are, I believe, standard. Okay. So you got the shower tub, nice tile surround, that's optional. Okay, and you got your toilet room right there. Cool. And you have this bedroom right here. This is going to be a full-size bed, but this room is spacious. And then also too, guys, ceilings. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the 2nd floor as well. So you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the 1st floor and the 2nd floor. Okay. All right. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think of the Emery floor plan. If you have any questions, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.